story name is An ABC Adventure. Good morning, Pip, said Mom with a smile. Today is a day for treasure hunt, a very special one.
The first clue said A is for apple. Look where you keep your apples for a yummy surprise.
Pip found a shiny red apple inside. A new clue said B is for book. Look on the shelf where your favorite stories sleep.
Behind a big book, Pip found a little toy car. The next clue said C is for chair. Look under your chair where you sit to eat.
Under the chair, Pip found a delicious cookie. The clue said D is for door. Look behind the big front door.
Behind the door was a little toy elephant. The next clue said E is for elephant. Look where your toy elephant lives.
Pip dug through the toys and found a fluffy feather. The last clue said F is for family. Look for the biggest treasure of all.
Pip ran to find her mom and dad. Her parents were waiting with a big happy hug.
This is the best treasure of all, Pip said, squeezing them tight. The end of the day, a treasure hunt complete. A day full of love, so happy and sweet. Thanks for listening with us, friends, today. Did you like today's story?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing. So, see you next time.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye, friends.